Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this 3-litre diesel engine. Now the thing I'm going to go through is the throttle valve actuator. Okay, this has come up. There's nothing much on the dashboard. In your case there may be nothing, there may be engine light, depends. The sort of symptoms you'll also get is the engine juddering, or when you put your foot down on the accelerator it's not working and it's not giving you power. But this has come back, okay, throttle valve actuator, and wherever this is found is literally the front of the engine. I mean, I can't take these off, but it's this here, that component, and this is a diagram of what it looks like. There, it's literally bolt on. I think it's 3 bolts or 4 bolts. I can't see it, but it's really easy to change. I'd do it myself, in all honesty. It's a case of just putting the new one on and just drive it. It really doesn't need coding in. It's plug and play if you ask me for these old school cars. This is the 3-litre diesel X6. It'll be the same engine in the 5 Series, 3 Series and whatnot, X5. But yeah, it really is plug and play, nothing else. Take the sensor off, get the bolts off, put the new one in, plug it back in, done, dusted. But yeah, that's what that fault code is.